Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1973, watch your flag here, 1973 Dodge Challenger. Killer car, guys. Car's out of Alabama. Gentleman built this car for his wife 17 years ago. They did a complete rotisserie restoration, and this car is gorgeous. It's hard to believe that the resto on this car is 17 years old. Killer car. It's finished in Go Mango orange. It's got the black TA striping. It's not a real TA. But it is a matching numbers 340 car. It's got the matching numbers 340 with the matching number 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Now it would have been factory a 4-barrel car, and they've added a, it's got 6-pack carbs and intake on it. But killer car, it's body color underneath. Like I say, he did a rotisserie restoration on this car 17 years ago. He built it for his wife. This was his wife's car. You can nitpick a few little things as you walk around it. So a couple little, nicks and little chips, but very, very nice car. They drove this car 250 miles to the car show we were at. Slick paint. Funny story too, this guy, my buddy Scott's the one who found me this car, and he was telling me the guy told him he hated this car because he built it for his wife. It was her car, she drove it, and he said every car show they would go to, she'd beat him. She'd win the Mopar trophy. Well, look how nice that stainless is around the window. Glass is nice. Car drives excellent. Like I say, couple drove it. This car's from Alabama. They drove it 250 miles to the show. That's just a little dust, guys. Matter of fact, same thing there. It's got the TA spoiler. I believe this car's got all the original body panels still on it. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it, 15-inch Magnums. You can see it's got the chrome tips. Car's got a great sound to it. There's just a couple water spots, guys. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Pretty car. Front disc brakes. If you don't like the TA striping, that's all, vinyl tapes. You can pull that off. Again, it is a matching numbers 340 car. They've added the 6-pack carbs and intake. It's got Hedman ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, electronic ignition. It's got the Mopar radiator with a shroud in it. Matching numbers, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Good looking car, really good looking car. This color just jumps. It's just some fingerprints or something, guys. Color just jumps off this car. Yeah, stainless on this car is nice. It looks like an original mirror. You can nitpick it just a little, but pretty doggone nice. I'd say the door handles are original. Car's only got about 5,000 miles, they said, on the restoration. I think it's like 90,000 on the body itself. New sill plates. I like the color combo with the orange and the white. Bucket seats console. I've ordered new carpet Challenger mats from ACC. Headliner's nice. It's got the rally dash, yeah, 92,895 on your odometer. Factory tack and gauges. It's got an aftermarket radio, that works. I know the blower motor and everything works. Dual exhaust. It's an 8 3/4 323 rear end. Look how pretty this car is. All body color in the trunk. Again, I believe the car's got all the original body panels. Factory jack. It's got the old bias ply spare. Again, you can see a little insulation on the quarters. It's cold out here, man. I don't want to tear this up. You see it's all body color in here in the trunk. This is pretty cool. They chromed the gas tube. Pretty car. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I'm buying cars like crazy. So make sure you're keeping track of the website. That car underneath, like I say, floorboards are all body color. And like I say, 17 years ago. So you can tell these people really maintain this car. Original owner's manual is in the glove box there. Just a little dust there, guys. Seats are nice. Dash is really nice. Just a good looking car. Nice little lobe to the cam. Car runs out awesome. I'll tell you what, he said when it's cold too, you know, sometimes these six packs are tough to start. This one, you just pump the gas to the floor one time, turn the key, the choke works and everything. All your gauges are working. Radio works. Yep, radio works. Blower motor works. Doors open and shut real nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Well, that is pretty, guys. That car jumps out to me.